My name's Dave Mase. I'm lead automation architect within Focus Group based in the UK. We're using Rewst to integrate with Inforcer and then gather all the policies. We're then going to send it through to AI, which then summarizes it and then pump it into IT Glue. First off, we're going to go off to Rewst to go and grab all the variables and then creating a flat list of which organizations have those variables for Inforcer, which will then take us down to this separate workflow at the bottom, which then takes you to this one. We're then going off to Inforcer to grab all the policies for each individual client. And this can range. The smallest amount of data we've seen come back is around about 6,000 lines of JSON. And there's a lot of white space inside that as well, stuff that we don't really need to see. Some things like policy ID and anything regarding any numbers or anything like that. We're not really interested in some of the stuff that we're doing. We then transform it back into JSON, which then sends it off to Anthropic, which is AI of choice at the moment. And this is currently doing 20 US cents per client each time we run it. Not too bad, considering that to summarize it for an agent would probably take about an hour per tenant, saving quite a bit of money. We then go off to IT Glue to work out whether it's there or not. And if it isn't, it creates it. If it is, it then updates it if it needs updating. And then we're doing an additional piece on top of that, adding each policy in there and giving a summary of each policy so that the engineers can go off and read it. This is per product. So this is what it looks like in IT Glue. So it pushes out as an HTML and we can see any conditional access, and it's just an overall summary so that the engineers can have a quick look over it and go, yep, cool. They've got MFA enabled, or they've got a couple of conditional access policies. And then we've got the actual policies themselves. So we split it up on a per product basis with the policy name. And then if there's any policy information from what we've got out of Inforcer as well, and also within Anthropic.